So Nasturtium on day 14. These have all gone over, you'll see, towards the light. So I'm going to put them back in. They've got enough water. They're really quite wet actually. So I'm just going to leave them. Even though they do like water, they're fine. And these will keep sprouting more. I mean, you can snip one off and try one. They're really peppery and you don't need many of them. They just make a really nice addition to a microgreen salad or any meal, really, really pretty. But if you're planning on using them, obviously you need to plant these way in advance of the others because they take so much longer. So I'm going to leave these until the end of the week and have another check in then and see how they're doing. Oh, got that one there. That must be another seed of another one that's escaped and got in there. Not a problem. You'll notice the roots are all coming up around the side actually. Because again, these ones are ones that we would normally plant in a big flat, so the roots can really go down and go through. But they're growing okay in these. They're doing okay. The other option is to do it in the coir big trays like these that came with a microgreen mystery, so you could use those with more seeds and they will just keep growing as well once you snip them, which is really good to have as opposed to having to start again.